Building and managing tables in Elementor often gets complex, especially if you need large tables like product tables, pricing tables, or complex data tables that need regular updates. That's why many users choose a separate table builder. With TableKit, the problem is solved. TableKit comes with a dedicated Elementor widget that lets you insert any tables directly into your page builder with just a few clicks. Before heading over to Elementor, let's make sure we have a table ready. I have already created this data table with TableKit. Once your table is ready, save it and we're good to go. Now, open the page with Elementor where we want to display the table. In the editor, search for the TableKit widget, then drag and drop it into the design editor. Once the widget is added, select the table you want to show. On the left side panel, click on the drop-down list, and you will see all of the tables you created with TableKit. Click the drop-down and choose the table you'd like to display, and there it is. The table instantly appears inside the Elementor editor exactly as it was built in Gutenberg. This makes it really easy to see exactly how your table fits into the rest of the page design. If you're already using Elementor, this widget is the fastest way to bring powerful TableKit tables into your page designs without dealing with shortcodes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.